Hello everyone, this is Dipti Verma in front of you. So today I'm having a very important topic that is about the defense mechanism. So I have a notes regarding that. So I will explain you about all the defense mechanism which is given by Sigmund Freud. Okay, so it is a conflict kind of dissolving, conflict solving, or you can say method of adjustment. So there are two method of adjustment. One is direct method, another is indirect method. So what are the direct method? Direct method is about the like changing your problem or changing your solution or replacement, that you are replacing your problem with another thing, or you are changing your perspective or making proper choices, like you change your choice or make another choice. So these are the direct method of conflicting or solving your problem, and there are some indirect method of solving, and those indirect method are known as defense mechanism. So what are the defense mechanism? So why it happens? Defense mechanism, why it happens? It happens because about we have three stages of our thoughts. One is ego and id and super ego. When ego supersedes, then it's okay. When it supersedes, then everything is wastable, because it is that thought which you want which is not acceptable to the society, but I want to do that, I want to do this because I love. That's the inner peace. What I wanna do means that's morally, ethically bad, but we want to do. That's about the id. But ego, which balance between the id and super ego. So we have to go through the ego. So we have to for countering the id and for countering our failure, we have several methods. These methods are known as defense mechanism. So first one is rationalization. So what the rationalization means? Rationalization means अंगूर खट्टे हैं. अंगूर खट्टे हैं means you have the proper reason. Like grapes are sour. Like I'm fail in my class and I'm saying कि teacher ने अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाया. Teacher ने अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाया means I'm just giving excuse, and that excuse is justiciable. And that's method. First method is known as rationalization, means you have the proper reason of your failure. Okay. Another method is repression. Repression means whatever the age you are right now, you are going beyond that. Means आप अपने एज से पहले स्टेज पे पहुंच गए, like being the shine of immaturity. Like अभी इतने बड़े हो गए, लेकिन right now also you are crying like a child. अभी भी बच्चों की तरह रोते हो. इसके अलावा बॉडी बीटिंग करना, like the behavior which you do in your childhood, like childish activity you are doing, so you are in the stage of repression. Okay. Another method is about the compensation. Compensation means हर जाना भुगतना, ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा. So what the compensation means कि if you can't clear your UPSC, then you are clearing something else which is equal standard. Like in the aspirant series, we say the Guri, who is preparing for UPSC and he can't clear the UPSC, so he owns his own shop, and he is saying that although I am not clearing UPSC, I can't clear, but I am doing equilibrium. I'm doing equal work in that phase. So means अगर एक काम ना हो तो उसके जगह पे दूसरे काम को ला देना उसी के बराबर का, और हम उसमें सेटिस्फाई हो जाते हैं, तो उसको हम लोग कहते हैं compensation. Okay. आफ्टर दैट अनदर इज अब हाँ, इसका एक एग्जाम्पल होता है हील. जैसे छोटी हाइट की लड़की होती है तो उनको हील पहन लेती है, तो हील पहन लेती है तो उनका जो हाइट होता है वो कंपेंसेट हो जाता है. अनदर थिंग इज अबाउट द प्रोजेक्शन. प्रोजेक्शन मीन्स होता है उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. Means for example, if you are doing something bad or if you are doing something which is not acceptable to society and you are blaming on another person, you can say it's a method of hypocrisy. It's a method of hypocrisy that you are doing the same thing but you are just blaming on another person. जैसे कि हमारे गवर्नमेंट लोग करते रहते हैं, सब लोग करते हैं पॉलिटिक्स. Politics is about that. You can say politics is all about the projection method. Okay, it's a very good example. I must think. Next one is about the sublimation. Sublimation means होता है the thing which is not acceptable to the society, so we do in another way, like our libido, our id, which supersedes we have in any kind of feeling, we have the feeling of libido, but we can't express those things because it is not acceptable to the society. So what we did, we write a poem, we write a sahitya, we write literature, we write a story, we write a song, we do anything. Means we shift our that libido into writing. Apart from that, I must give the example of Bhag Milkha Bhag, like the person who is very aggressive, so he can't मतलब वो किसी की नाक वाक तो तोड़ नहीं सकता है, तो instead of that what he did, he just keeps on running. Means he is just not wasting his energy, he is just projecting his energy from one form to another. It's a, you can say, law of conservation of energy. Energy neither be created nor destroyed, can be transformed from one form to another form. So here also the energy is channelized from one form to another form. Okay, next one is displacement. Displacement means होता है कि भाई हमारे बॉस ने हम पे गुस्सा किया, लेकिन हम अपने बॉस पे गुस्सा नहीं उतार सकते हैं, सो हम अपने परिवार में या किसी पे गुस्सा उतारते हैं. मीन्स द पर्सन whom I am angry, I can't show my anger to that person, so instead of that I fight with another person, I quarrel with the person who is equivalent to me. So this is all about the displacement. Another method is about the repression. So what the repression is, it is the motivated forgetting. Motivated forgetting means something you don't want to memorize because that memory was bad for you, so subconsciously or motivatingly, subconsciously, automatically it's suppressed. It doesn't mean that it is not within you, it is within you, but it keeps on suppressing after a long time. Apart from that, another is, that's what the repression means motivated forgetting. Another is suppression. Suppression means subconsciously or you wanna forget by applying the effort. Means you want to forget that thing, but you have to apply the effort for forgetting all those things. Next thing is denial. Denial means like you totally deny, like कोई शहीद हो गया तो उनके घर वाले नहीं उस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करते कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. मीन्स दैट पर्सन इज नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग दैट समथिंग बैड हैपन विद देम. सो दैट्स अबाउट द डिनाइल. Another thing is about the daydreaming. Daydreaming means दीवा स्वप्न. Means अपनी ही दुनिया में क्रिएशन कि मैं जादूगर हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं बैटमैन हूँ, मैं ये मैन हूँ, मैं फलान हूँ, ढमाक हूँ. मतलब अपने आप को just imagine that you are above the all. Means you are not a normal person, you are incredible person. So this kind of thought is known as about the daydreaming. Next thing is about the identification. That's my favorite. What the identification is, that the person whom you inspire the most, you are thinking that you are that person. I must say a Parachute kind of movie where you have multiple personality disorder. I think multiple personality disorder is the example of identification, because the person whom you identify the most, subconsciously, automatically, you don't know, but you are copying that person. For example, I'm the fan of Sunny Deol. I'm thinking that I'm Sunny Deol having 2.5 kilo ka haath. Means automatically it's happened. It's because you are inspired by that person, you love that person so much. So it's the identification that you identify yourself as a person whom you inspired, whom you love. Okay, last one is about the reaction formation. So reaction formation means आप जैसे हो आप उसके उल्टा दिखाते हो. And nowadays most of the people do that thing. Means जैसा वो होता है वैसा वो नहीं होता है, वैसा वो नहीं दिखाता है. Means if you are sad, you are pretending that you are happy. If you are happy, then you are pretending that you are sad. That's about the, you can say, mukhota. Mukhota means personality. That's about the persona. Every person mostly do this. So these are the defense mechanism, and we all people apply in our life because that's automatically happen with us, because we are inspired with the id, ego and superego, and that's the theory given by the Sigmund Freud. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye bye.